Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. So today I have this 646 locomotive. There we go, that's better. So here's the 646 locomotive that I call the Bullet, in quotation marks, because it's designed to be the fastest locomotive, and it's just 4 drive wheels short of the PRR S1, which I'm eventually going to build with these size wheels. And they're pretty much Lego Harry Potter wheels. Links. Anyway, so it's just slightly inaccurate this is the train that I have in Lego form, Minecraft form, and drawing form. 3 forms. But in Minecraft, I just built it with this part here is gray. But this looks pretty accurate to what the original drawing. And the Minecraft version looks like there's too much glare, but it's also too dark. So, yeah, let's get started with the tender. Very simple, a box. Just looks like this. It's got a number on the back. And then onto the locomotive now. It's got a very long piston. And there's also a design that I haven't put into any other locomotives before this. It's got gears underneath. So, that way, if I turn one wheel or one set of wheels, they all turn. And I'm going to use that with the S1 as well. So, the front, top, and then there's cab window on both sides. This thing's starting to collect just a little bit of dust. And then in there's the cabin controls, singular seat, and the firebox. It's actually like really empty in the firebox. This thing can go decent speeds. Also, this little detail right here is supposed to be like springs or something. So, it also runs curves, and it can also run pretty fast smoothly for a little bit amount of time. Also, this thing can just barely run switches if you run it extremely slow. It might derail on occasion, like that. Here's it running curves, R40 curves. It's pretty simple, and it's like just a pivot joint right there. The tender is pretty much hollow. The locomotive is pretty much solid. But this is overall a really cool looking locomotive in my opinion. And the video on my next locomotive will be about my version of an old blue Lego train set that I never had. So see you all in the next video. Bye.